Okay, go ahead.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler Middle School.
Mom and Dad, what did we do today in class? Mr. Esposito, again, we're going over animal adaptations. We went over adaptations for feeding, adaptations for hiding, adaptations for defense, adaptations for... there's so many of them. I can go on and on. You're going to look on the left-hand side of your ISNs, and you're going to see all the different adaptations that we went over. And today we went over unique abilities. Some animals have adaptations, they have unique abilities, such as for movement. What do? Some of them fly, some organisms walk, run, they use speed, some swim. Some, like the Jesus lizard, run across the top of the surface of the water. Really neat. Some, like the flying fish, they leap out of the water, they skim across the surface of the water, and they look just like birds. Their fins come out just like wings, and they fly across the surface of the water. And when they do that, that's called unique ability. Okay, so we went over those. Tomorrow I have some shark teeth to show them. I have a megalodon tooth to show them. I've got several other things to show them. We're going to be going over that. Then we'll start going over responses. Like conditioning. Mom and Dad, you know what conditioning is. Those of you who went to college, it's like operant conditioning. We learned in college, but they're doing it in school. We'll be going over that next week. Instincts, reflex.
That's a lot of stuff.
Behaviors, responses, learned behaviors. We're going to be going over a lot of it. But I have to go because I have to let somebody in the room. They're locked out of the room. So I got to go. Mr. Goff is going to take over, okay?
All by myself?
All by yourself.
Okay, that's cool. All right, Mr. Esposito.
Thumbs up, Mr. Esposito. I'll sit.
Yes, all right, okay. Well, today in Math 7, I want to start with Math 7 today. Math 7, we took a conversions quiz, okay? So we all worked on that, converting metric and customary measurements, okay? So feet and inches and yards, and then we had, grams and liters and meters and things like that. So we took a little quiz on that, and we're going to continue going over it tomorrow, because it was a quiz, but we need to make sure we got all the right answers. So we're going over that tomorrow. And then in Math 6, we were working with proportions today, okay? So we were basically just looking at fractions and seeing if they were equivalent or not. That's all you're really doing with proportions. Now tomorrow, no homework tonight for either of those classes, but tomorrow we're going to solve proportions. We're going to look at solving proportions, very similar to what we were doing today. That's in Math 6. In Math 7, like I said, we're going to continue going over the conversions quiz, but then we're also going to do percent of a number. Okay? What's 50% of 12? Well, 50% means half. Half of 12 would be 6, right? But then what happens if you say, what's 80% of 142? We're going to figure out how to do that, okay? So, tomorrow we're going to have a lot of fun in all our math classes. If Mr. Esposito were here right now, he'd say, all right, 2 thumbs up, Ralph Chandler Middle School, Mr. Esposito, and I'm just going to say Mr. Goff, Ralph Chandler Middle School, 2 thumbs up, and that's it. It's weird not having Esposito here with me. Oh well. But you know what? No one's going to watch this. No one ever watches these things. In fact, that's it. Okay, bye. 2 thumbs up. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler
Middle School. Mom and Dad, what did we do today in class? Adaptations for hiding,